Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Log into your PW account and verify your device is on the same network as your camera or classroom hub. Once logged in, make sure the app shows the Home or Live tab. This is where live sessions appear. If the app prompts for updates or permissions, grant them now so streaming quality is not blocked. Doing these first steps prevents interruptions and prepares you to find the live lecture quickly. Next, navigate to the Live or Schedule tab and scan the list for the lecture title or host name. Filters can speed this up. Once you find it, tap the session to view details, confirm the start time, and check any access controls like passcodes or attendee limits. Press Join Live to enter the stream. If the app asks, allow audio and video only when necessary. Doing this ensures you enter the correct room and maintain classroom etiquette. Finally, use the in-player controls. Adjust quality, go full screen, and mute or unmute with clear taps. If video buffers or drops, switch to a lower quality setting or briefly toggle Wi-Fi off and on to force a reconnection. That often restores the stream. If you get kicked out, tap Rejoin and check chat for host updates. If problems persist, message the host or support from the session details. Doing these steps gets you back watching fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.